We can't go birding. We can't go jogging. We can't relax in the comfort of our own homes. We can't ask for help after being in a car crash. We can't have a cell phone. We can't leave a party to get to safety. We can't play loud music. We can't sell CDs. We can't sleep. We can't walk from the corner store. We can't play cops and robbers. We can't go to church. We can't walk home with Skittles. We can't hold a hairbrush while leaving our own bachelor party. We can't party on New Year's. We can't get a normal traffic ticket. We can't lawfully carry a weapon. We can't break down on a public road with car problems. We can't shop at Walmart. We can't have a disabled vehicle. We can't read a book in our own car. We can't be a 10-year-old walking with our grandfather. We can't decorate for a party. We can't ask a cop a question. We can't cash our check in peace. We can't take out our wallet. We can't be arrested without fear of being murdered by the police. We can't run. We can't breathe. We can't live. We're tired. Tired of making hashtags. Tired of trying to convince you that our Black lives matter too. Tired of dying. Tired. 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 So very tired.